Hi angels, hi my loves. lvluxegirl back again with another video. So today's video, you guys know I'm always geeked, I'm always excited. Anytime it's a giveaway video, yay! So today we have a giveaway video. You guys know, and if you don't, I'm here to let you know, we have an UGGs giveaway going on my channel. So if you want to go ahead and enter the UGGs giveaway, stay tuned and I'm going to tell you how to go ahead and enter for the UGGs. So today we will be drawing a giveaway winner for the UGG socks, as well as I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So let's go ahead and take care of the unboxing first, and then we'll go ahead and jump into the giveaway winner. But let me go ahead and let you guys know that these are the UGG socks that will be given away. And how you go ahead and enter for the giveaway is all you have to do is go ahead and subscribe to the channel, as well as hit the notification bell, give this video a big like, and in the comment section down below, just drop the word UGGs in capital letters, and I'll go ahead and enter you for the next giveaway. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing first. So I wanted to go ahead and do this unboxing. I was recently at the MARC JACOBS outlet. I went to the outlet mall in my area to go to the coat store, and while I was there, I ran into MARC JACOBS. I was looking for a particular bag, and that particular bag the outlet did not have. So I ended up getting the Snapshot DTM, and I absolutely love and I'm happy with the Snapshot DTM. However, my heart was still a little bit set on picking up this particular item right here. So they didn't have it at the outlet store. They didn't have the color that I wanted at the outlet store. So I ended up coming home and I had to order it and wait just a little bit longer to get my item online. So it finally came, you guys, and I have it in this lovely box right here. And this is a true unboxing. Now let me say, this box was sealed up like Fort Knox. So I did go ahead and I took my scissors right here and I went ahead and tried to open it just a little bit so that I could get started, so that it wouldn't take so long on camera, so that we wouldn't be waiting here forever. But I didn't go ahead and fully open it. So it's open on 3 corners. There's just a slight edge right here that still needs to be opened. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that now with you guys so that you'll know it's a true unboxing and I didn't see anything yet. So let me just go ahead and finish ripping into it right here. I hope I don't make a mess, you guys. This was a hard box to open. They had it sealed up like Fort Wayne, you guys. So yeah, okay, so now I finally have it open to where I should be able to open it the rest of the way and get the item out so you guys can see what I purchased. So you know it's from MARC JACOBS, and you guys probably pretty much have already taken a guess and know what it is that I picked up. And you know, this is a new item to me, but you guys, a lot of you guys already have this item, and here it is right here. Let me go ahead and move my receipt out the way. And here it is right here. So it came in the lovely MARC JACOBS box right here, and this is the item. So I know you guys probably pretty much already know now and can see what it is I purchased. So let's go ahead and pull this baby out. I'm so happy for her. So yeah, a lot of you guys already have this bag. I just wanted to go ahead and add this beauty to my collection. Let me go ahead and get this box out the way. And here she is right here. So I ended up deciding to go with this size because some of the larger ones, I think I was liking the larger size at first, but when they came out with this mini size, I decided to get it, and it's the MARC JACOBS tote. And I just decided to go with this color, with the black color, because you guys know I'm a black girl, black and red. They didn't have this bag in the red color. You know, I might have went with that if they had it. They had it in black, in like a camel beige color, and white, and the white was sold out, and in denim, and the denim was really, really cute too. So here she is. This is going to be a fast little unboxing, and it has the style number and everything right here, and she's so cute. I was going to get the larger size, but like I said, for just kicking it around, I didn't think I really needed the larger size. I thought the mini would be so cute, and it is. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this mini size. And on down the line, who knows, maybe I'll get one of the larger ones for work or something. So let's go ahead and finish unboxing this beauty so we can take a better look at her. So cute. I love some of the other colors that are out there too. This bag was made in, when I was at the outlet, they had it in the tie-dye. The tie-dye was really, really pretty. It was pretty to look at, but I didn't know if, if I wanted to go ahead and purchase it in that color. But this black is just so adorable. And they have the little hardware for the straps all packaged up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. And then let me go ahead and open her up. And her strap should be in here. Open the zip, and there is her lovely strap. So this is the interior right here, and the lovely strap is in there all wrapped up. Go ahead and take that out, and then there's a silica gel packet, and the textile cards for MARC Jacobs are in there. And I'm gonna go ahead also and cut this exterior tag off right here. So let's go ahead and cut that tag off that says MARC Jacobs right there. And then I'm gonna have to, I keep putting my scissors up thinking I'm finished, all done with my scissors, and then I realize I still need them. So I'm gonna need them to take the strap out. So let's hurry up and do that right now so we can get to this giveaway. I'm so happy about this giveaway, you guys. I said we were going to be doing giveaways until Christmas, you guys, and you guys see, we ended up, the Crocs giveaway was so fun, and I think there's still a pair of Crocs over there. We're not done with that yet. We're going to go back to Crocs after we finish the UGG giveaway. But, with Christmas time coming, I knew that my girls needed to nuzzle down with those comfortable, warm, cozy socks. So I wanted to go ahead and get started with the UGG giveaway. And I recently did the UGG collection videos on my channel that were so much fun to do. So here we have the straps right here. And I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and adjust this baby. And the strap looks just like the strap on my Snapshot bag. It's just a different color, and actually that makes me think that I can interchange the strap for this black strap if I want to with the burgundy with the wine color of the Snapshot bag. Now that I have this one, I can go ahead if I want to sometimes and interchange those straps or put the wine color strap on this black bag. That would look cute, right? Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on. So here she is. All right, and this is what it looks like with the straps. And I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and adjust the straps just a little bit, depending on, how I wanna use it, how long I want it to fall. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So here it is right here, you guys. This is what it would look on me. It's so adorably cute in the mini size, just for whenever I just wanna hang out and chill. And then I could go ahead and wear it crossbody. And like I said, I'm not sure yet with how I'm gonna play with the strap. And it'll look better when it's filled out and I have my items in there. I might want to drop it just a little bit longer to like my hips, or I may want to wear it a little bit higher like I have it right now. But this is how it looks for right now until I go ahead and adjust it. I think it's going to be so cute. This is what it looks like. And I'll be able to carry it like this, or if I want to carry it on the crook of my arm. That's gonna look so cute. So yeah, you guys, this is my MARC Jacobs mini tote, the tote bag, the mini tote bag. So let's go ahead now and get started with the giveaway. Okay, so I have the UGG socks right here. And what I'm going to do is whoever wins can go ahead and decide, because we still have plenty of the pairs right now, can go ahead and decide what color they would like, if they would like the pink with the non-slip grip, or if they want the beautiful plaid. All of the socks are very pretty, and they're going to come in so nice for this time of year. So let me go ahead and talk about the entries. So the entries this time around that we had, I'm going to go through them really quickly. And you guys, I know I could at some point go ahead and do the comment picker, but it's just so much fun sometimes to do it the old-fashioned way and call off all the names. And I really like doing that because then I get to engage with you guys when I go ahead and I call off all the names. So I have all the names written down right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just call them out. I enjoy talking to my subscribers and interacting with you guys and having fun with your names. So I'm gonna go ahead and call off all my girls that went ahead and entered, and then we'll go ahead and draw the giveaway winner. So the first person was RPB, Madam MM Style Icon, Carla Longerbeam, Phoenix Rising, Fabulous Irene, Tap In with Queen Riri, Miss Alpha Lady, Rotunda Whitaker, Cy DG, Jan Murrow, Turquoise Purple Sky 7, C Lick, Unique Monique Designs, Terra Makeup and Handbags, Miss Angie, Tinny Garcia, Titanium, Princess Tessa Fabulous Life, Hez Amp, Louis, Ty Lindsay, Cheryl Shelton, Tierra's Opinion, Carolyn Ratcliffe, Assunta Palladino, LaWanda Stevenson, Prince Everlove, Queen B, Mike Page, Mama T Speaks, Pandora Pink, Denise Glam Style Living, I Love Bright Colors, Lady C's Lifestyle, Africa Harrigan, Monica, Rissa's Mukbang and ASMR, Susan Clark, Coffee with Nadia, and Angie Hart 67. So those were all of my girls, you guys, all of my subscribers. I love you guys to death. Thank you so much for entering my giveaway, my UGG giveaway. Let's go ahead and get started with this giveaway. So I have all the entries in here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a good shake. And I think I might go back to using my other cup. This is a heavy cup to shake up, you guys, every time when I do it. So let's go ahead and do this giveaway. Let's pick out a name for the winner. And the winner is gonna be, and I can't see, they're all in here. Let's go ahead and pick out a winner. And the winner is going to be, who is the lucky person? Let's see right here. Oh, Angie Hart 67. Angie Hart 67. Give it up for Angie Hart, you guys. Congratulate her down in the comments box below. And since I waited a little bit to come back and do the giveaway, I think we should draw another person. I think we should have 2 winners today, you guys. So let me go ahead and shake it up one more time and draw another winner. Let's draw one more winner so we can have 2. Congratulations, Angie Hart 67. The next winner is gonna be, let's see who the next lucky person will be. So we have one name right here, and it is Denise Glam Style Living. Denise Glam Style Living. So you are the winner of the UGG socks. So we are gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mail these out to you. What do you think, you guys? Do you think we should do one more? Should we do one more? Let's do one more. One more. We're gonna do 3 today for the socks because I made you guys wait for so long. Let's go ahead and do one more winner. Let me go ahead and just pick one more. It's already been, I've already shaken it up twice. Let's pick out one more person. Let's try to get one more person. Let's see who this 3rd winner is for the socks. Miss Angie, Miss Angie, you're a winner of the socks, of the UGG socks. So we have 3 winners. I think I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop for today and we'll go ahead and do the drawing again in just a couple of days. So I have 3 that I'm giving away and there's still 2 more pairs of the socks left. So go ahead and in the comments box down below, you're gonna go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit like on this video, and in the comment section down below, I want you to go ahead and put UGGs, and I'll go ahead and enter you for the next giveaway. So we have 3 of the pairs that we're going to be giving away today. When you contact me by email, let me know which pair you want, if you want the pink or the red, and it's going to be whoever comes first, whoever contacts me first, you guys, and then I'm going to mail it out to you super, super fast. I always do next day shipping after the giveaway. So go ahead, email me or DM me on Instagram and I'll go ahead and mail you out your socks. This giveaway has been so much fun and we're gonna continue. We still have 2 more pair of the socks to give away, as well as I'm gonna come back and do another Croc giveaway sometime soon. So make sure you go ahead and contact me, Angie Hart 67, Denise Glam Style Living, and Miss Angie. You are my 3 lucky winners today and I'm so happy. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies soon in another video.